delivery. Let's do an unboxing. You asked for it, I'm giving it to you. I'm unboxing my newest arrivals of Rebecca Minkoff. All right, so I'm very excited. There's a bunch of things that I ordered. This is the leopard hair calf clutch. It's not real hair calf, don't worry. It's definitely hair calf, it's just not from a cheetah. That's all I'm trying to say. So what I love about the Leos is they can be an iPad clutch, which I showed you in one of my last videos, but it's just chic. It has a pouch. It holds the essentials, truly and only. There's some credit card slots in there as well. Are you ready for more? Let's keep going. This is the Edie. She's a classic. By the way, if you're watching this video and you're like, ew, plastic, I know, I agree. I am begging my factory to change and not show all this stuff. So, I heard you, I'm working on it. It is not as easy as it seems, but it bothers me as much as it bothers you. Edie, gorgeous. She does crossbody, she holds everything. Someone asked me in the Instagram I did recently, how to get the bag to go short and long. So this is short, this is long, long, short. But pro trick, if you want it to be handheld, you can also clip this with a rubber band or something, tuck it in to the zipper, and then it just becomes a little guy. Once you open it up, it has a really spacious interior plus a inner zipper for all your essentials, and then a back zippered pocket as well. And then the tote. This tote has been one of my faves. It's one of our best-selling totes. This is going to the recycling, don't worry. I'm a little crazy with recycling. I recycle everything. So this is the Megan tote. Holds a computer, holds your gym stuff, holds your groceries. Farmer's market runs. Such a cute bag. This beautiful olive green leather. Slim and sleek design. So what did I unbox today? I got you a tote. I got you the Edie flap satchel and little Leo in leopard hair calf. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing.